Court reporter, good morning. Oh, sir, I'm sorry, I didn't even see you. I was about to say, I got somebody new. You got Dixon too. I got confused. I'm like, oh no.
That's okay. Good morning, Judge.
How are you doing today?
Great.
Good. Good morning. Oh, all right. Oh, sir, I'm sorry, I didn't even see you. I was about to say, I got somebody new. You got Dixon too. I got confused. I'm like, oh no. Hold on one second. I got my stuff signed on. Sorry, there we go. Now calling the matter of the people versus Gina Whitshire. This is due ticket 6404782. This is one count, no sexually oriented business employee license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
And good morning, y'all. Attorney Kevin Basant, P71061, against Ms. Jenna Wiltshire, who's also present by Zoom video, y'all.
All right, ma'am, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Miss Jenna Wiltshire.
All right, counsel, how are we proceeding today?
So, Judge, I wanted to do two things. First and foremost, Your Honor, although my client stated that the clerk's office told her that the bench warrant was not active, it's still in the system is showing that the bench warrant is active. So I would just, for the record, Judge, ask to set aside any bench warrants in this particular case and ask that this matter be set for a bench trial at this time, Judge.
At this time, the court is going to set aside the bench warrant. I do still have in the back of my file, that's a bench warrant out there. At this point in time, I'm going to set that aside, entering a plea of not guilty on behalf of your client. My next soonest date for that is September the 5th. Please check your calendar, Attorney Basant, see if that works.
I'm checking right now, Judge, and that, unfortunately, Judge, that does not, I literally started a trial in Oakland County on September 5th.
Okay.
I don't know if the trial, I don't know if the court.
What day?
No, I was going to say, it's a Friday, so I don't know if you do bench trials on Friday, but Friday, September 8th, would that be okay?
Friday, September 8th. You got it. Friday, September 8th, 9
Thank you,
a.m. You're very welcome. Friday, September the 8th at 9 a.m. It is scheduled to be via Zoom. So the same way you zoomed in today, you'll zoom in that day. I'm going to set the bond at $0 today. $0. Okay.
Thank you very much, Judge. Appreciate it. Good seeing
You are very welcome. Okay, September the 8th is when I'll see everybody back for this matter. All right, good luck to you and we'll see you soon.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you. That concludes this hearing.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Did you do Timothy Williams already? No, Timothy Williams.
Not his phone. That's probably just on phone.
All right. You already checked in. What's her name?
That was Anasys Web. Underneath.
You lost connection, Miss Webster?
Yes, I did. Sorry about that.
It's okay. We'll just have to put you back into a breakout room. I may have given it away. Let me see. Nope, I'll put you in room number 11, okay?
Okay.
Hello?
Hello, hold on a second, sir. I'm going through everybody right now, okay?
Okay.
All right. Join that room for me, Miss Webster. Timothy Williams?
Yes.
You hear me? Okay.
Yes.
Officer Nielsen, who are you here on today?
Good morning. Last name is Williams. First initial B as in boy.
Brittany Williams? Yep, yes, your name is right beside it. Okay. All right. Let me see if she checked in yet. She has not, to my knowledge, but I'm going to put you into the room with all the other officers.
Okay.
Room
Thank
one. Okay.
Sounds good.
All right, fantastic. Thank you, officer, for always checking in. You're not on the road today, too.
Hello.
All right. Hello, there she is. All right, hello, Miss Williams. How are you doing?
I'm fine. I've been sitting here watching. I didn't even know where to. Finally, I got here.
You're good, you're good. I'm trying to get a couple other people. On the phone, 3672, what's your name?
Pardon me?
No, not you, ma'am, hold tight. On the telephone, on the
Marcellus Williams.
one more time.
Marcellus Williams.
Okay, my 830. All right, Marcellus Williams. All right. Ms. Witherspoon, did you already talk to an attorney?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna put you in the waiting room so I can handle some other business, okay?
Okay.
A. Williams. A. Williams.
Yes.
All
I'm here.
right. What's your name? Start your video, please.
Alicia Williams.
You said Alicia Williams?
Yes.
Okay. Alicia Williams. All right. Ms. Wilhelm, Mr. Williams, Miss Williams, and Mr. Williams. I got two Mr. Williams, Timothy Williams and Marcellus Williams. I'm going to place you into what's called breakout rooms. That's so that you can speak with the attorney, one of the attorneys for today that's assigned to my court. I have already 20 people checked in, so just know you have to be patient. But they're working their way through the list right now, so it shouldn't be too bad. But just know, I'm sorry, I stopped talking. Just know that you have to be patient while you're waiting for breakout rooms. You'll be in there all by yourself. No one will be in there with you. We have not forgotten about you, even if it's a long period of time. I promise someone will come and talk to you, but it takes time to get through this many people, okay?
Okay.
So Ms. Willingham, please join breakout room number 15. Timothy Williams, please join breakout room number 16. Alicia Williams, please join breakout room number 19. And Mr. Marcellus Williams, it's automatically gonna put you into a room because you're on a phone. Just be patient in that room for me, okay?
Yes, ma'am. I can.
Yeah. Curtis. Officer Johnson,
Yes, good morning. How are you?
good morning, I'm good. How about yourself?
Well, I'm great.
Good. You out here in Virginia, Wilhelm?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, she just signed in. So I'm gonna put you into the room with the other police officers so that
Okay.
you wait there
All
for a
right.
moment. Okay?
Thank you. All right, thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you for signing in today, sir. All right, we'll put you a breakout number 1. All right, join 1, please. Curtis Wynn.
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Wynn, you here today for your trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Rename. Right. Hold on 1 second, Mr. Wynn. Phone number ending in 4925. What's your name?
Worthy.
Reginald Worthy.
Reginald Tyrone. Family
Tyrone.
of Worthy.
All right. Rename the device. Williams. Good morning to both of you. I'm going to place you into what's called a breakout room. That's so that the attorney of records today, I have two of them, will be able to come in there and talk to you privately about your case, about your rights, and about the matters that are before this court this morning. It's gonna be silence for you, complete silence, but I promise that someone will come in there and talk to you as soon as they have the availability. You just have to be patient. They are working through the list and moving quickly. So just bear tight with me this morning. It's gonna seem like a long time and it may be a while, but I promise someone will come in there and talk to you about your case and your rights today, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Mr. Wynn, I'm going to assign you to breakout room number 21. And Mr. Worthy is automatically going to take you to a breakout room because you're on a phone, a cell phone. And then it'll just be silence, but someone will come in there and talk to you about your case, okay?
Yeah.
Attorney Mitchell,
Good morning.
good morning. How you doing?
I'm hanging in there.
I
I
understand.
have defended Mr. Daniel Williams for, I think, for a show cause.
I think he is in here. I think he was asking for you earlier. We said you hadn't checked in yet. He's in room number 2.
I don't need to speak with him.
Okay. Well, let me see if I can get the file pulled. Hold on one second. Attorney Mitchell, can I have your
Yes.
P number, please?
42028.
Thank you.
That's with a P in front of it.
Really? Really, Attorney Mitchell?
I'm trying to be funny.
Give us one moment, okay?
All right.
What's the middle name of your client? Do you know?
Not right off the top of my head.
Okay. Do you have his date of birth or no?
No, I'm not. I just left Judge Bazzi's courtroom. I don't have anything with me.
Okay, it's just that we have two Daniel Williams on the docket, so I gotta figure out which one it is. All right, give me 1 second.
He's originally charged with disorderly conduct. And I can look. He sent me a snapshot of the ticket. Oh, thank you. I forgot all about that. You could have went to lunch with this.
Why you back out here, Timothy Williams?
I just spoke with my attorney. He told me to leave the breakout room, come in here, and put my phone on mute.
Oh, okay, I'll put you in the waiting room, okay?
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Daniel Christopher Williams. This is ticket number SP 1363834, one count of disorderly conduct. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Judge. Kerry Mitchell appearing on behalf of Daniel Williams. My P number is 42028.
And Mr. Williams, can you unmute yourself and state your name for the record, please?
Daniel Christopher Williams.
Thank you. Council, how are we proceeding today?
This is the day for show cause. Mr. Williams never got notice of this ticket. Mr. Williams, approximately a year ago, was charged with a felony. And I believe that once they charged or upgraded the charge to a felony, which we went to a preliminary examination and it was dismissed at the exam, they never gave him a ticket on the date that he was arrested for this offense.
Okay. Well, we're here today, so how would you like to proceed?
Well, we want to proceed with, we have to have a pretrial. I have to speak with the people or something because he never
That's
got
fine.
notice of it. I'm sorry?
I said, that's fine. I don't mind. I was gonna say, I'm cool with it. Y'all, that's between you and the city attorney's office about this one. So whatever y'all can figure out and work out is fine with me. My pretrial date is August 14th. Does that work for you?
That's fine, Judge.
All right, I'm going to set his bond at $0 personal. That is going to be via Zoom, August 14th, sir, at 8:30 a.m. Attorney Mitchell, do you have the contact information for the city attorney's office?
No, can I have it, please? Because it keeps, who's going to be the city attorney on this one, or they don't know yet?
My courtroom prosecutor is Alexa Snyder right now, but the head prosecutor's name is Shannon Walker. And she will be the person to talk to.
All right, I'll call Shannon. I know her. Okay.
Okay. All right. So call her and let her know and then get all the information you need. And so that we'll be able, that should give you plenty of time to talk to her between now and August 14th. Okay.
That is correct, Judge. Thank you.
You're welcome. Bond set at $0, sir. So it should not be a warrant or anything like that. You just have to come to the next court date. Okay, Mr. Williams?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, everybody have a good day.
You too. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Williams. All right.
If I may, Your Honor.
Okay.
I need ticket information for Paula White. If I could get the information as to where it was issued, where and when.
Okay, we'll get that information for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And I do have a few things that are ready if you would like me to pull those individuals out. And I apologize. My voice is going in and out.
I see. I would say always send them back to the main room. So how we keep track of who's ready is by sending them back to the main room, then we can get their files ready. So have them come back into the main session and then we'll be able to do that. I have a couple of people who look like they fell off and I don't know.
So you'll see they have letters behind their names. So hopefully that helps.
Yes. I do. Okay. All right. Oh, okay. All right, that does. I just gotta get all the files, so just give me a moment.
Okay.
All right. That's why I'm asking you. Oh. That's why I brought him back in, because he's still in one of the breakout rooms.
Oh, Marcellus Williams,
Yes, ma'am.
have you spoken with the attorney?
He just had me join the Zoom call. I was on the phone. He wanted me to be able to show my driver's license.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Get on it. Cool.
So you showed it to him already? You all set? Or you need to go back to the breakout room?
I think I need to go back to the breakout room. He wanted me to show him.
Okay.
He's in room number. He was.
Mike.
Yeah, so.
Okay, Mr. Williams, I'm gonna put you back in breakout room number 8, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Attorney Elwood, you needed to see his information. He's in breakout room number 8.
Madam Clerk,
Yes,
is it possible you could check the status of the license for Angela Wilson?
yes. I just.
Thank you.
Yes, you're welcome. Attorney Harris,
Yes, ma'am.
that's nice. I like the way you put the letters at the internet name. That's nice. You need to have a class for that.
You know what? No, because Miss Bradfield taught me that.
Ah, that's really nice.
That is nice.
That's nice.
There you go.
Let me see where room she's in.
She's in room 9.
Oh.
Angela Wilson.
Jasmine.
I thought you said you want Angela Wilson, right?
Yeah, I was.
Yes, please.
I was looking for Jasmine Wilson. What she was?
Angela Wilson.
Oh, Jasmine Wilson is in room 1. Put her in with the officers.
Yeah. Yeah. You see? Oh, let me get her out of there. Yeah, look at her. Only because if.
Madam Clerk,
Yes,
would you look up Marcellus Williams in terms of a driver's license?
yes, I will. What you? Do you try to call for or do you? Jericho would be better helping her. That would be.
What room is she?
Hello.
Yeah, she's high, so put her in the high.
Miss Wilson, Jasmine Wilson.
Yes.
Okay, did a prompt come up for you to join breakout room number 23?
Oh, I think it put me like in the first breakout room.
I did. I'm sorry. I put you in there with the officers. I do apologize for that. See if you can go on breakout room number 23 now.
Okay.
Oh. Canceled. So she may have another license in a different, like, state or something like that.
Can you let, here.
Yeah. Typically, she should have a license in another state. Just because it says cancel conversion.
Hello?
Mr. Weaver, have you spoken with the attorney?
Yes, I have, miss.
Sorry, let me
Yeah,
leave.
You have?
I'm sorry if I'm walking. There's noise in the background. I'm at work right now myself.
That's okay. So you spoken with the attorney?
Yes, I have, miss.
Okay. I'm gonna place you in the waiting room till the judge is ready, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Ma'am, why do you keep logging off?
Are you speaking with me, ma'am?
Yes, I am. Why do you
Oh,
keep logging
I'm not trying to log out. My attorney, he told me to come back into the courtroom and make my case. For some reason, my tablet is keep sending me all the way out of it.
You've already spoken to the attorney.
Yes, I spoke to Constance.
I'll put you in the waiting room until I'm ready. Attorney Marcellus Williams, Mr. Marcellus Williams, did you talk to the attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'll put you in the waiting room as well.
Still in the break room?
No, you're in the regular room, Mr. World.
Okay.
Did you talk to the attorney already?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll put you in the waiting room until I'm ready to talk to you, okay?
Okay, no problem.
Attorney Barry,
Yes,
I don't know why your volume is so loud that we can hear like everything, like
really.
cars passing behind you and back.
Let me, I reduced it by half. Let me reduce it again. Is that better?
Yes, it is. Thank you, Attorney Barry.
Well,
Mr.
you're
Williams,
welcome, of course.
okay. Mr. Williams has a valid license.
Oh,
Marcellus, okay.
terrific, terrific. We're ready, we're ready. All mine are ready.
Okay, cool. Give us one moment. We're just pulling the rest of the files.
Can we go dismissals first, Your Honor?
I will in a moment. Just give me 1 second, okay, Mr. Barry?
Yes, okay.
Okay, cool. Good morning, Ms. Williams.
Good morning.
Why are you late to court?
I wasn't late. My phone died out, so I had to plug it back up. It disconnected me, so I had to redo everything.
Okay, you spoken to an attorney already?
Yes. Yes, I was in the break room. My phone had died out.
Cool, I see it got changed. Fantastic. All right, I'll put you in the waiting room. Thank you, Attorney Harris.
No problem. I am getting offers on the remaining matters that I have. But what is our no officer time?
No officer time is 10 a.m. Did you check room number 1 to make sure it wasn't one of the officers in room number 1?
I'm looking now.
Okay.
I think we are good.
Look here. Make sure you have.
Well, okay.
I want to run.
Well, I'm old.
We can hear you, Mr. Wynn. I don't know who that is at your location that's making all that extra noise. Tell them why you want to, in the courtroom, you can't make all that noise. Have you spoken with an attorney already today about your matters? All right, I'm put you in the waiting room. I think that was a yes.
Now, you don't typically wait. We'll call it.
Attorney Barry, you didn't speak with somebody in room number 2 yet? No, I think it was room, let's see. Yes, number 2, J. Cole Woods. I don't know how he got to that room though. I'm gonna be real honest. I feel like he was in a different room before and he moved himself.
I'll go speak with him.
Okay. Yeah, he wasn't in that room originally, Attorney Barry. I know he wasn't, so he moved himself.
Madam Clerk,
Yes.
on, on Paula White, I'm sorry, I forgot to write it down. Did you, the location where she got her ticket?
Oh. East 7 Mile and Beach, Beach.
7 Mile and VEX.
Beach.
Is are there also 2 civil infractions on that ticket?
Let me see if she does. Yes, it is. Expired
No, one
plate,
is,
no valid registration.
okay, thank you,
They're both in Deepwater.
thank you.
You're welcome. I'm gonna print these out. Oh, we got. Yeah. Jericho about Jasmine Williams, but she only do full group time. I don't know.
Good morning, Attorney Snyder.
Good morning, Your Honor.
How you doing today?
So far so good. How about you?
Good, thank you. I meant to ask you about the bangs, but we'll do it later. I like you got it done recently, last
Thank you.
Friday.
I cut it myself. Yeah, I
Oh.
learned how to during COVID.
Very nice. I like it.
Yeah.
I don't need you, but you came back.
I think I got to come in and talk to some officers in one real quick for Jerica.
Fantastic. Let me make you co-host and then you'll be able to do what you need to do.
Perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you. Ms. Wilson, you've spoken to the attorney. I'm gonna put you in the waiting room until I'm ready, okay?
Okay.
I ain't tell Jerry. She probably saw him anyways.
And just to give the court an update, we do have one matter scheduled for trial. And I think Ms. Schneider is working on speaking with the office or the investigator about that case.
Oh,
Cool.
And that's Rosalind Williams.
Okay. I thought the officer from Wyndham had checked in as well, but maybe not.
Attorney Harris,
Yes, ma'am.
Jasmine Wilson, she got a whole lot of defaults and she has 4 warrants. So she had other cases that's not on the docket.
She only told me about 2 no insurance cases that were not on the docket.
No, she got like 1,700 worth of defaults and 4 warrants.
Yeah. I'm gonna need to talk to the prosecutor about that. Sorry. So she has a total of 6 misdemeanors.
Yep, and 4 of them in warrant status.
Okay, thank you.
Attorney Barry, did you talk to Reginald Worthy in room 22?
And what about Jacob?
Mr. Worthy is one who does not want an attorney.
Okay. So all the other officers can be dismissed, correct?
I'm gonna say yes.
Corporal McCree, you're all set. Norman Williams didn't check in. So you can go ahead and leave.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Corporal Latch, Ms. Whitworth didn't check in, so you can go ahead and leave, okay? You're welcome. Be safe out there. Calling Mr. Whitfield first. Sir, you can unmute yourself. Now calling the matter of the people versus Leonard Whitfield. This is ticket SP 1409916. Count 1, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, open alcohol in a motor vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Your Honor, may it please this court. Cherica Harris, P72832, on behalf of Mr. Whitfield. Mr. Whitfield, please state your name for the record.
It's Leonard Dion Whitfield.
Your Honor, Mr. Whitfield has been advised of his rights. He has been extended a very generous offer, which he is willing to accept, thereby waiving his right to trial. Is that correct, Mr. Whitfield?
Yes.
And what is that offer? I don't get them anymore, sorry.
Your Honor, he would be entering a plea to 2 counts of improper plates, with the remaining count being dismissed.
All right, sir, if you want to take advantage of that offer, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down. Sir, did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, I am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes, I do.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of November the 25th of 2022. Sir, at that time, were you driving a Chevy vehicle in the area of Hubble and Plymouth in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
And while you were driving that vehicle, was your vehicle unregistered at the time?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you also not have any car insurance on it at the time?
That is correct.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining count to be dismissed?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, so at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to 1 count of 2 counts of improper plates amended, and the remaining count will be dismissed. Sir, I'm going to give you 1 fine of $300 on one of the tickets. I'll waive the cost and fines on the other ticket. How long do you need to pay that? 30 or 60 days?
60 days, if that's good, Your Honor.
Okay, I'll give you until July 24th, 2023 to have it paid, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. If there's nothing further, you're all set, sir.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day.
You're welcome. You have a good day too. Officer Nielsen, I don't think your person checked in. You were here on
Williams.
Brittany Williams. They did not check in. You're all set. Be safe out there, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. I was trying to find the other person in the room too.
Mr. Dixon, do you need me to give you my P number?
Yes.
72832.
Thank you.
No problem.
All right. Mr. Whitfield, you can leave now. You're all set. All right. I'll bring in Mr. Wrench. All right, Mr. Wrench. Now calling the matter of the people. You gotta mute yourself.
Hello?
All right, now calling the matter of people versus Gregory Ridge. This is you ticket 597-97921. This is 1 count of interfering with a city employee. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Sharika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Wrench. Mr. Wrench, please state your name for the record.
Gregory R. Wrench.
Your Honor, Mr. Wrench has been advised of his rights. At this time, we are respectfully requesting the court continue his not guilty plea and set the matters for trial. He is waiving his right to jury trial.
If that's the case, sir, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. Sir, did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
It's my understanding that you want to have a bench trial or waiver trial. That's a trial before myself as a trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to set this for the date of September 5th at 9 a.m. via Zoom. I'll set your bond at $0, okay?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further. You are all set, sir, okay?
All right. Thank you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Same to you. Bye.
Bye-bye. Latoya Wilson. You go ahead and hang up, Mr. Weir.
Okay. I'm trying.
I'll help you.
Okay. Okay, where's her leave?
All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Latoya Wilson. This is ticket SP 1409975. Count 1, improper plates. Count 2, drive unregistered untitled vehicles. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., P28880, on behalf of Ms. Wilson. State your full name, Ms. Wilson. Unmute.
Latoya B. Lois Wilson.
All right,
Your
counsel.
Honor,
Yep.
Ms. Wilson will avail herself of the people's offer to allow her to enter a plea to improper plates and the remaining matters to be dismissed.
Okay. If you want to take advantage of that offer, please raise your right hand, ma'am. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
I'm sorry, can you repeat that?
I can. Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to take your attention back to the date of November 25th of 2022. Ma'am, were you in the area of Dexter and Joy Road in the city of Detroit driving a Ford vehicle?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, were your plates improper at the time?
Yes.
Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right. Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the charge of improper plates. The remaining counts called on this record today will be dismissed. Ms. Wilson, my fine is $200. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
30 days.
All right. So I'll give you until June 26, 2023 to have that paid, okay?
And I can do that through the website, or do I have to come down to the court?
Nope, you can do it through the website. Just give us
Okay,
a day or
thank
two
you.
to put it in, okay? Okay,
Okay.
all right, that concludes this hearing. Officer McCall, yes. Come step up here. I forgot you were there and take you with the keys a moment ago. I have. I know you have. Oh, I just forgot, because you know, I'm special. You all right? Yes, ma'am. Okay. I just gotta, I'll take care of you. You got so quiet, though. I didn't even know you were here again for a moment. All right. There you go. Yes. All right. There we go. Now calling the matter of the people versus Timothy Williams. This is a Z ticket 7931781. This is one count operating while visibly impaired. This is the date and time set for a review in this matter, I believe. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Williams. State your full name, Mr. Williams.
Timothy Sean Williams.
Your Honor, Mr. Williams.
Gentlemen, I have in the courtroom, Officer McCall. I need her to stay her name too.
Good morning, Your Honor. Michael McCall on behalf of the probation department.
All right, proceed, Attorney Berry.
As Mr. Williams indicates that he's has been unable so far to pay the entire sums of money due, and he seeks more time to pay the remaining $400 or so.
Officer McCall, how has been doing on probation?
Your Honor, Mr. Williams last appeared on a bench warrant hearing on February 24th, 2023, and he was given time to pay the $485 in assessed fines and costs, and he was given these 3 months, and he was instructed to return today, May 24th, 2023, to pay that remaining balance, and still hasn't paid anything towards the $485. And just to inform the court, he has 2 tickets that he has $25 reinstatement fees on, and 1 ticket of $45 reinstatement fee. Then that's associated with ticket number 014-336-772, and the other one is 03558-4431. And this case goes back to 2010, Your Honor. You instructed Mr. Williams to have this paid by today.
What's going on, Mr. Williams? It sounds like you didn't even make any type of payment. I mean, it's not paid off, obviously, but it sounds like you didn't even make any type of payment. What's going on?
I'm still unemployed at the moment. I'm searching for a job, just haven't been successful yet.
I understand that, the frustrating thing is that this is a 2009, 2010 case. I shouldn't even know who you are, Mr. Williams. I only started working here 2 years ago. And you would have been finished this. So now you still got all these costs and fines out here that need to be paid.
Okay.
What happens if I close it out unsuccessful? What happens to the payment at that point in time, Officer McCall?
Your Honor, you can the legal board have them to do some community service and lieu of those fines and costs.
Can I have you do community? Are you able to do community service, Mr. Williams?
Yes.
40 hours? Can you do 40 hours of community service for me? I'll give you some time.
Yes.
Okay, all right. I'm gonna do 40 hours of community service in lieu of cost and fines, okay? But Mr. Williams, you gotta do this community service. If you come back and you haven't done my community service, and it's not because you have now got a job where you working 60 hours a week, then I'm going to be upset, okay?
Yes.
'Cause I'm trying to work with you so that you cannot see me anymore, okay?
Okay.
All right.
But how do I find out about the community service?
Call
Or do I
Officer McCall. Yep, and she'll direct you, okay?
You said call who?
Officer McCall, she get ready to take down a number. Hold on.
Oh,
Okay?
yep.
It's 313.
Yep.
965
Yes.
3415.
3415. It's breaking up. I have 313-965 is
3415.
3415. Okay.
Correct. So you can call me right after this hearing and I can get you set up.
It broke up again.
She gonna
Excuse
come
me?
closer to you. In 1 second, okay?
What
Okay.
I'll do, I want you to call me right after this hearing and I'll get you set up for those 40 hours of community service.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. And we'll have a return date from the judge.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna give you 3 months. That should be more than enough time.
Oh, yeah. Yes.
August 24th. August
Okay.
24th. It is 40 hours. I don't want any excuses.
No problem.
Okay?
Yes,
40
thank you.
hours, community service, okay?
Okay.
There's nothing further. You're all set, sir.
Nothing further, Your Honor. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right.
Have a
Miss
great
Wilson,
day.
you too. Have a great day. That's off the record. Miss
Yep.
Wilson, you're free to leave. Bye, Mr.
Yes.
Williams. I'll see
Thank
you
you.
back.
It's breaking up.
I know, it's your phone. It's okay. Just click off, okay? You're all set.
Oh, okay. All right, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, let me bring in Mr. Word, because you said he didn't want to turn. Reginald Worthy?
Hello?
Hello? Okay, I'm gonna call your matter. One second. One second. Officer Harris, you're all set. The defendant didn't check in, so be safe out there, okay?
All right, thank you, Judge. You too. Take care.
Thank you. Hold tight for a second, Mr. Worthy. I'm gonna leave you out here, but I gotta do something else. Angela Wilson?
Present.
Okay, can you turn on your camera for me, please? All right. Now calling the matter of people versus Angela O'Neill Wilson. This is ticket SP 1293598. 1 count drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drove while license not valid or improper license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Sharika Harris, on behalf of Ms. Wilson. Ms. Wilson, please state your name for the record.
Angela Wilson.
Your Honor, Ms. Wilson and I have discussed her cases at length. She's been advised of her rights. She is waiving her right to trial and entering a plea pursuant to the recommendation, wherein she will enter a plea to an amended count of fail to display, with the remaining 2 counts being dismissed. She understands that a fail to display may trigger an additional suspension on her driving privileges.
All right, ma'am. With that understanding, you want to take advantage of this offer today?
Yes,
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or
No.
promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of December 29th of 2021. Ma'am, at that time, were you driving an Acura vehicle in the area of 8 Mile and Hubble Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
While you were driving that vehicle, was your license not valid at the time?
I thought it was valid, but it got ran. I was going to work at that time.
All right, Ms. Wilson, I need you to listen carefully to the question I'm asking you. Was your license valid at that time?
No.
Okay, satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Stipulations for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court's gonna enter a plea to the amended charge of failed to display. The remaining 2 counts will be dismissed. I understand, Ms. Wilson, but we gotta make sure everything's up to date. Now, if that was your only count, now I have some mercy, but also your car didn't have any insurance, nor was it registered at that time, Ms. Wilson. Okay? So you gotta make some wise decisions, right? I know we're trying to do what we can do. But you gotta make some wise decisions. My fine is $200. How long do you need to pay that? 30 or 60 days?
30.
Okay, I'll make it due no later than June 26, 2023, okay?
Okay.
All right, you're all set. You can log off, Ms. Wilson, okay?
Okay, thank you so much.
You're very welcome, okay?
Goodbye.
Bye-bye. Have a good day.
You
I just want to make sure Reginald works. It's all the All right. I'm moving. I know I'm not moving super fast. I apologize to everybody. All right, Mr. Worthy. Okay, all right. Now calling the matters of the people first is Reginald Tyrone Worthy. This is ticket SP 1348856. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drove while unlicensed. Ticket number SP 1218000. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license. Count 2, no insurance. Ticket number SP 136222901. One count no insurance misdemeanor. Count two of that same ticket is failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Mr. Worthy, can you state your name for the record, please?
Reginald Tyrone, family of Worthy Estate.
Okay. And Mr. Worthy, it's my understanding that you did not want an attorney today. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. How would you like to proceed at this time, sir?
Innocent.
Okay. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on your behalf on all of these tickets, sir. Sir, the next steps that you have, well, let me get on the record. Sir, you know you have the right to have an attorney. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right. And that this is a misdemeanor. And so there's some things that go into play once you have misdemeanors out there. The right to have an attorney. Also, you have to be notified that you could be fined up to $500 for each ticket. That's not typically my practice at all. You can also be put into jail for 90 days. That's not my practice at all, typically in these type of cases. And that you have the right to have a jury or a bench trial in this matter as well. Sir, what is the next step that you would like to take in this process?
I had filed a motion for discovery.
Okay, so you want some discovery. Who did you file it with, sir? Do you remember?
36th District. Yeah, I filed it with 36th District.
So 36th District isn't who brought this against you. It's the city of Detroit through the police department. So do you have a way to get the motion to the court? I can give you our courtroom address. You can try and get to the court discovery.
Oh, the court already have it.
Okay. I don't have discovery purposes though. Like you have to give the discovery to the person who actually gave the ticket out so that we can get whatever information that you need, Mr. Worthy. So do you need that information so that we can be able to try and move forward?
You say I have to give it to the person who gave the ticket, you say?
No, well, so you're gonna serve it upon the city of Detroit who works in this building. So if you want to file a motion, you can give it to the court. I can give you the court's email address so you can send it over, or you can mail it, and then we can make sure it gets to that office so that they can be able to have a copy of it and provide you with a copy.
I have my tracking number, and my tracking number said that the court already have it.
So the motion for discovery, like discovery as far as all of that stuff. So if they have it, I need to find a way for them to get it to you. Do you want to talk to a prosecutor so that you can be able to make that connection? So they can make sure they have it, so they whatever information that you're needing at this time?
If you want to give it to me, yes, you can give it to me, but I already filed it. You can give it to me. Who I supposed to talk to?
The response. Let me get you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you very much. All right, I'm trying to get that number. I don't typically have it.
Well, can you mail it to me?
I wouldn't, so here's the problem. The court can't respond, or I don't respond to discovery. So I just want to make sure you have the right person. And I don't have their information sitting right here. That's why I'm trying to figure this out. Attorney, I can get it. Let me see. All right, hold tight, Mr. Worthy. I'm trying to get through this because I'm trying to figure out who I need to put you in contact with so that you can have your motion filed. In the interim though, do you need to have, so the next day you want to have a motion hearing? Is that what I hear you saying, sir?
A motion for discovery, yes.
Okay, well, I'll get you to the discovery. Are you trying to like have a motion hearing to discuss the merits of your discovery
Yes.
claim? You're just looking for your
Yes.
discovery given to you? Let me get an actual prosecutor on here. I want to make sure that you have all the connection that you need today, so when you leave, you're not leaving confused or without the right contacts. Attorney Harris?
Yes.
Can you text me Attorney Snyder's information, please? So I can get in contact with her. Okay. That next day, Mr. Worthy is going to be on August 14th. Write that down, but I'm going to, before we log off, I'm going to actually have you talk to the prosecutor so we can make sure you make the connection today and make sure we have everything, okay?
You said August 14th?
Yes, does that work for you, sir?
Problem.
Okay, all right. Well, hold tight. Like, I want to get the person on here to talk to you because I don't want us not to have receipt of stuff next time, okay?
The
And I
receipt?
think
Oh,
I may be in receipt of it, but I don't have it. The department has it, so.
oh, okay, because I know I got my tracking number, so, okay, no problem at all.
Your name looks familiar, and I'm like, okay, but the response would come from somebody else, so. All right. I'm gonna try and get her back on. I'm gonna have you just hold tight in the courtroom for a minute, okay, Mr. Worthy? That concludes this hearing for today. All right, so you can just listen to the rest of the stuff that I do, okay? And then when she comes in, I'll put you in a room with her, okay?
Sure.
Okay, thank you. Bringing in Audrey Witherspoon. I see Miss Rosalind Williams is here too. I'm going through her matter as well in a moment. 1 minute, Miss Williams, okay? All right. Audrey Witherspoon.
Yes.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Audrey Witherspoon. This is ticket SP 1319443, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Witherspoon. State your full name, Ms. Witherspoon.
Audrey Witherspoon.
Your
All right,
Honor.
now, yes, go ahead.
Ms. Witherspoon would avail herself of the people's offer to enter a guilty plea as charged on the basis of a 3-month delayed sentence.
All right. Ma'am, if that's the case, can you please raise your right hand for me? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
I just spoke with the.
Mr. Berry. Yep.
I'm sorry.
I said that would have been Mr. Berry. He may not have told you he was an attorney, but he's an attorney, okay?
Okay.
All right, did you speak with him, ma'am?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward?
Yes.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of February 28th of 2022, ma'am. That time, did you own a Chevy vehicle?
Yes.
And did you allow someone who was unlicensed to drive that vehicle, ma'am?
Yes.
And counsel, will you stipulate it was in the area of Grand River and Hayden Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And so stipulated, Your Honor.
Thank you. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Ma'am, this is under what's called a 3-month delayed sentence. What that means is that as long as you pick up no new tickets and you pay my fine, this is going to be dismissed, okay?
Okay.
Who did you allow to drive your car?
My husband.
Oh, and you know Miss Witherspoon. Okay. All right.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. All right. My fine is $200 and I'll give you 3 months to pay it. Okay. As long as you pay the fine by August 24th, you do not have to log back in. But if you have not paid the fine by that time, you need to log back in on that date of August 24th. Okay.
Okay. What do you mean log back in?
So come back on Zoom. So
okay.
if you pay it by August 24th and I look at the computer system and I see it's paid, I'm going to dismiss it. If you have not paid it, to come back because I need to know why you haven't paid the $200 fine I gave you, okay?
Okay, it'll be paid August 24th.
All right, ma'am. If there's nothing further, you have a good day. Help your husband get his license like you, okay?
All right, thank you.
No problem. All right, have a good day, ma'am, okay?
You too. Bye.
All right, bye-bye. All right. This is going to be the plea for Rosalind Williams.
Yes.
Okay. Sorry. All right. Now calling the matter of people versus Rosalind Williams. This is ticket number V12008000122. One count of no dog license. Ticket 128000222. One count failure to vaccinate a dog. And V ticket 128000322. And that's one count of dog at large. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Jerica Harris on behalf of Ms. Williams. Ms. Williams, please state your name for the record.
Rosalind Dorothea Williams.
Your Honor, Ms. Williams has been advised of her rights. We've discussed her cases. She is going to enter a plea to the one count of dog at large with the remaining 2 counts to be dismissed. Is that correct, Ms. Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Ms. Williams, if that's, and we do have investigator Dale Green on. Sir, will you state your name for the record, please?
Rosalind, oh, I'm sorry.
Not two.
Yes, Investigator Dale Green with Detroit Animal Control.
Okay. All right, ma'am. You want to take advantage of this offer, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you want to move forward?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I don't have the file. Investigator Green, do you have the ticket with the address and location on it?
Yes, 1 second.
Okay. Attorney Snyder, and off the record in this matter for 1 second, Mr. Dixon. Attorney Snyder, I'm sorry. I'm going to put you into a room with Reginald Worthy. He's the one who needs to get some information about how to file a discovery request.
Okay.
I believe one may have been sent, but I don't know if it got to you. And I just want to make sure that for our next hearing date, that everything is in place because it's going to be a motion hearing. Okay.
Perfect.
All right, Mr. Worthy, I'm going to put you both in room number 3. Thank you very much. Do you have an attorney, Officer Green?
Yes,
Okay, what is it?
that address is gonna be 18, I believe, 411. 18,411 Hartwell.
All right, man. I'm so sorry. Hold on a second. All right, investigator, can you give me the date too, please?
Yes, the date was 11/12/2022.
All right. Ms. Williams, I want to take your attention back to the date of November the 12th of 20, back on the record, sorry. Ms. Williams, I want to take you back to the
Excuse me,
date
Judge
of,
Taylor.
yes.
I have an updated address. The address is 18,403 Hartwell.
Yes, that's our address.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you for that correction. I want to take your attention, Ms. Williams, back to the date of November 12th of 2022. Were you in the area of 18403 Hartwell in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you have a dog on your property at some point in time, ma'am, that you own?
Yes, ma'am.
Did that dog escape off of or leave your property unsupervised without a leash or a chain?
Yes, he
in there?
did. Yes.
Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied.
All right. And the stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
So stipulated.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to one count, dog at large. The remaining 2 counts will be dismissed. Counsel, I don't want to ask her too many questions because I know a lot of times with these cases, it might be some other issues going on at the same time. Am I correct by my assumption on today, Attorney Harris?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. A fine like this would be $300. Is that something you're able to afford, Ms. Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I can give you some time to pay too. I can give you like
Thank
60
you.
or 60 or 90 days, ma'am.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Which one you need, 60 or 90 days?
90 days.
Okay, I'll give you until August 24th, 2023 to have that paid, okay?
Yes.
Trying to give you enough time. Take care of the rest of your stuff, okay?
Okay. Okay.
All right, Ms. Williams, you're all set. Thank you so much for your time today.
Excuse me. So where
Yes,
do I
ma'am.
send this to?
So I will either come physically down to 36 District Court and make the payment, or you can go
Okay.
online at 36districtcourt.org and make the
Okay.
payment as, you don't have to pay it all at once. So if you have like $100 next month, $100 the following month, and $100 after that, you can take care of it that way too, okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
You're very welcome. All right, good luck to you, ma'am. I know it's probably a lot, so I'll just leave you be, okay?
Well, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, that concludes the hearing. Thank you, Investigator Green, so much.
Thank you, Ms. Taylor. Have a
All
great
right.
day.
You too, thank you. All right, we'll continue down the list. Sorry about this, y'all. You know, just have this right.
Fine, there's nothing to apologize for.
You good, Attorney Snyder?
We're good, Your Honor. He's gonna email me his motion.
Thank you. All right, I just want to give you a heads up.
Yeah, I think we'll be all right.
Okay, Kyle Wallace. Oh, he didn't come in. Kyle Wallace.
Yes.
Say I got this file. All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Kyle Wallace. This is ticket SP 13558-661. This is one count of brandishing a firearm. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Wallace. State your full name, Mr. Wallace.
Kyle Christian Wallace.
All right.
Your Honor, this is the date and time set for trial. No officer has appeared. Respectfully, we seek dismissal.
All right, the time is now 11:20 a.m. No officer having appeared. The court is going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Sir, if you were doing what they said you were doing, don't do that behavior anymore, okay?
Understood.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set, okay?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. All right, Paula White is next. Ms. White? Unmute yourself. Let me help you. I'm gonna ask you to unmute. Did you see it asking you to unmute? Okay,
Yes, I
there
did.
you go. All right. Now follow the matter of the people versus Paula Lee White. This is ticket SP 1231252. Count 1, expired plates. Count 2, no valid registration certificate. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Jerica Harris, on behalf of Ms. White, please state your name for the record.
Paula Lee White.
Your Honor, Ms. White and I have discussed the matters before the court. I do understand the dilemma that she is in today, as she indicates she did not receive tickets on site. She's never received them in the mail. However, she does acknowledge that she had expired plates. So we are accepting responsibility, stipulating to the face of the ticket for purposes of the factual basis. We're asking the court if they can waive any fines, it would be appreciated. She indicates that the officer stated he was not going to issue her tickets. So she never received anything in hand, but somehow these tickets got entered into the system.
Okay. All right. At this time, the court is going to enter the expired plates, plea of responsible after the stipulation of the face of the ticket. The remaining counts are going to be dismissed without prejudice per stipulation by counsel. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. Unfortunately, on civil infractions, I don't have very much leeway, Ms. White. I have to issue a fine. So the fine is $145. It's set in stone. There's not a whole lot I can do about that. You're supposed to have 14 days to be able to pay it. The only thing I can do is I can extend that time if you need additional time to make the payment.
Yes.
Okay. How much time do you need, ma'am?
The 145, is that for the expired plates, ma'am?
It is.
Yeah, I can pay that today, ma'am. Or tomorrow, I can pay it tomorrow. Yeah,
Can you
today or
wait?
tomorrow.
We need some time to put in the computer system, so don't try and do it today. Give us a day or two and go in there and pay it, okay? But you have until June 7th then, okay, to make the payment.
Oh, okay, thank you.
You're very welcome, ma'am, okay?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set, Ms. White. Sorry you got that information and you didn't receive everything, okay?
Thank you, ma'am. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh, wow. Thank you, Jesus.
I'm gonna get you off, ma'am. No worries.
All right.
All right. Ren Reaver.
I'm here.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Ren Reaver. This is ticket SP 1277733. Count 1, drive unregistered untitled motor vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling tickets SP 1395051. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 3, narcotic and drug related violation. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Weaver.
Ren Alexander Weaver.
Your Honor, this is the date and time set for trial. The officers not having appeared, respectfully, we seek dismissal.
All right. The time is now 11:25 a.m. No officers having appeared in these matters. The court's going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. All right, sir, you're all set, okay?
Okay, thank you so very much, Judge. You have a wonderful day.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Bye-bye.
All right. Just to make sure, I'm sorry, but nothing else I need to worry about.
No, it's okay. Ask the questions now. What's your question?
Y'all just want to make sure. Yeah, nothing else I need to worry about. I can go ahead. Is there anything that will be mailed to me or?
Typically not, but in a few days you can go
Yeah,
online.
so, yeah, I need to reschedule that appointment.
Okay, just making sure. All right, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
All right.
You're welcome. No problem, Mr. Weaver. All right, Ms.
Okay.
Williams, you're fine. You can log off. All right, I muted you for a moment because you came into court and you were talking, making appointments. You can unmute yourself now, ma'am, okay?
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Virginia Whitworth.
Wilhelm.
Sorry. I was looking at a case above yours. This is ticket number SP 139536601. This is one count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Sherica Harris, on behalf of Ms. Wilhelm, please state your name for the record.
Ma'am, that's you.
Yes.
We need you to state your name for the record. See, Ms. Williams, you're trying to do other things at the same time.
No, I'm not. I didn't hear what she said. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Could you state your name?
Virginia Wilhelm.
Your Honor, we've discussed the matter. There is a recommendation to dismiss. We ask the court to adopt the recommendation. We stipulate to probable cause.
All right, at this time, the court's going to adopt the recommendation. I'm going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Ma'am, you are all set, okay?
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
I will,
Okay,
thank
sorry. I'm sorry. I've been waiting in court for an hour, 2.5 hours. So that, yeah.
And she's still waiting. And she told me, see, that's just how people, you don't even have to do it. Attorney Harris and Attorney Barry. See, when I asked her what she doing other stuff, I said, I know you've been waiting for a long time, right? So that was her time to be like, yeah, I called some people to help me. But instead, you're gonna be real extra. And you're gonna say something, nah, I ain't been doing it. And then you're gonna get off and tell on yourself. I love it. Thank you, YouTube. Go back and watch it later, okay? All right. Did you talk to Jasmine Wilson again, Attorney Harris?
I have not. I need to ask the court a question first.
Okay, I'm gonna bring in a couple of other people first. Marcellus Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Marcellus Deshaun Williams. This is ticket SP 1272096. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Also calling ticket SX 3799830. This is one count of no operator's license, multiple operators license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Williams. State your full name, Mr. Williams.
Marcellus Deshaun Williams.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
This time, the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on behalf of your client. How are we proceeding?
Your Honor, as it turns out, and Madam Clerk confirms that Mr. Williams has a valid license.
Yes, he does. It's been brought to my attention that you do have a valid license. Do you have a motion, Attorney Barry?
Motion is for dismissal based upon compliance.
At this time, the court's going to grant that motion. I'm going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Thank you for getting a license, Mr. Williams.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. All right. There's nothing further. This case is dismissed without prejudice, okay?
All right.
All right, you're all set, sir. Thank you for your patience today.
No problem. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm gonna bring in Alicia Williams. Alicia Williams?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay.
Hold
tell
on.
me. Okay.
I'm sorry.
You're fine, ma'am. I know you've been waiting. No worries.
I'll go this way. It might be a little quieter.
Just let me know when you get to a place where you're quiet, okay?
I'm in the place now, sorry.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Alicia Williams. This is ticket SP 1399241. This is one count, refused to exhibit license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Sherrica Harris, on behalf of Ms. Williams, Ms. Williams, please state your name for the record.
Alicia Williams.
Your Honor, we've discussed the case before the court and her rights. At this time, we are respectfully requesting a trial date.
Bench or jury?
Bench trial, Your Honor. She's waiving her right to jury trial.
All right. If that's the case, ma'am, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you in exchange? Oh, no, not in exchange for a plea. I'm sorry. It is my understanding that you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as a trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna set it for the date of September the 5th. September the 5th at 9 a.m. I'll set your bond at $0, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. It will be via Zoom for right now, so the same way you're zooming in today, zoom in on that day, okay?
Okay, will do. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Have a good day, okay?
You too.
I will, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
I'm bringing in Ananias Webster. Ms. Webster?
Sorry about that. Can you hear me?
It's okay, yes, I can. Now calling the matter of the people versus Michelle Webster. This is ticket SP 751513. Count 1, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Webster. State your full name, Ms. Webster.
Anna Anise Michelle Webster.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client would stand mute.
All right, at this time, the court's gonna enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. How are we proceeding?
Your Honor, Ms. Webster would avail herself of the people's offer to enter a plea of improper plates as to the matter ending in 5132 and the allowing an unlicensed driver to be dismissed.
All right, if you want to take advantage of this offer, ma'am, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you, ma'am.
Did you have a chance to talk to your attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I have.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes, I understand.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, I do.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of October the 26th of 2017, ma'am. At that time, were you driving a Ford vehicle in the area of Warren and Harvard Streets in the city of Detroit?
No, I wasn't driving, but yes,
Oh,
that's
I'm
the
sorry.
vehicle.
Okay, do you own a Ford vehicle on that day, ma'am? I'm sorry.
Yes, I do. Yes, I
And
do.
then, did you fail to have no car insurance on it at the time?
No, ma'am, I had car insurance at the time.
Attorney Barry, I don't know what to do with this plea. Because is the improper plates for the allowing or it's usually for the no insurance. Which one is it for?
It's for the no insurance, Your Honor.
She's saying she had insurance at that time, so what you want to do?
Yes, the officer never asked me for insurance paperwork.
Well,
All right, she's saying that she allowed someone who's unlicensed to drive. Is that correct, ma'am? You allowed someone who was unlicensed to drive your vehicle?
Yes, that's correct.
Satisfied, counsel?
fine, satisfied, Your Honor.
Stipulation for probable cause and the remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plates. The remaining count, no insurance, will be dismissed. Ma'am, my fine is $200. How long would that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
60 days.
All right. I'll give you until July 24th to have that paid, okay?
And you said 200 even or 240?
200 even.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. What are you doing with Mr. Woods, Attorney Barry? Because he keeps requesting assistance. So what are you doing with Mr. Woods?
Mr. Woods seeks a bench trial, Your Honor.
Okay, all right. You can sign off, Ms. Webster. You're all set, okay? Just give us a couple of days to put that in the computer system, okay?
Okay, thank you. Have a good day.
You're welcome. You have a good day too.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. All right. All right. Do these two real quick. Tiffany Williams.
Yes.
Now calling the matters of the people versus Tiffany Williams. This is ticket number SP 1287280. Count 1, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Jerica Harris, on behalf of Ms. Williams. Ms. Williams, please state your full name for the record.
Tiffany Williams, no S.
All right, counsel, how are we proceeding today?
Your Honor, at this time, we are respectfully requesting a trial date. She is waiving her right to jury trial.
All right. Ma'am, if you could please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
It's my understanding that you want to have a bench trial, Ms. Williams. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna make that date September the 5th. September the 5th at 9 a.m. I'll set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Yes.
All right, I'll see you back. It is via Zoom as of right now, okay?
Okay.
All right, you're all set, ma'am, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Oh. Bye-bye. All right, bye-bye. J. Cole Woods.
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus J. Cole Woods. This is ticket SP 124240. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Woods. State your full name, Mr. Wood.
Jacob Woods.
Your Honor, Mr. Woods requires a bench trial on these matters.
All right. If that's the case, sir, please raise your right hand. You swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding you want a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, sir?
The bench trial is coming in. Well, that's fine. Yes.
No, it's not coming in. It's online right now.
Okay, yes, that's fine. It's fine.
All right, that trial date is gonna be September 5th, at 9 a.m. I neglected to call an additional ticket that he has. It's a civil infraction. It'll be heard on the same day. That's a 16 to 20 mile over posted speed. All 3 tickets will be heard on that day, okay?
Yes.
All right, I'll set your bond at $0 personal. It's via Zoom right now, Mr. Woods. So still come on the same way you came on today at 9 a.m. on September the 5th, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, have a good day, sir.
You too.
I will, thank you. All right, Leonard Worlds has a ton of tickets, just so you know.
Yeah, bench trial, Your Honor.
Okay. And then Attorney Harris, I'll answer your question about Jasmine Wilson before we bring her in.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, of course. Thank you all so much for being patient this morning. He's struggling to let in sometime. They're having a hard time joining. What was your question about Miss Wilson?
You know that she has civil infractions. Is the court inclined to set all of those defaults aside, or will the court want her to handle those?
I would have to see what dates they are. No, I'll go back super far.
Because the recommendation is the 6 misdemeanors would be dismissed if she has to handle all of the civil infractions.
If they happen, and it looks like a good chunk of them, with the exception of may have happened on the same incident. If that's the case, I will do that for her. I'll take them out of default.
Okay, so then I'll need her to come in, Ms. Schneider to come in and make a recommendation.
Huh?
Wait. So you're pulling them out of default. Those are ones she'll have to take care of. Or would you like us to do an offer?
No, I can pull the ones from default and take care of it.
Okay, because the recommendation is dismiss all of the misdemeanors. She has to take care of the civils.
That's fine.
Okay, so long as the misdemeanors are not OWI or reckless.
No, the driving while license never required, drive unregistered and title, no insurance misdemeanor, improper plates, drove while license suspended, drive unregistered and title vehicle.
Okay, thank you.
The regular stuff, okay? So I'll call on the record too. Let me get Mr. Wynn in here too, because he's having some connection issues. And then I don't know what happened to Mr. World, but I'm gonna hold his file for a moment because he may be able to sign back on. Miss Jasmine Wilson.
Yeah. I'm here.
All right. Ma'am, can you turn on your camera?
Yeah, 1 second. My phone screen is blocked.
All right. You're not driving, are you, Miss Wilson? Miss Wilson? Can y'all hear me or no?
We hear you.
Hello?
Hello, Miss Wilson, can you hear me?
It's kind of not like it's
So take
okay.
it off, Bluetooth. Take your Bluetooth off, okay?
Okay, I can hear you now.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus, I done lost it. Oh, here it is. Now calling the matter of the people versus Jasmine Wilson. This is ticket number SP 1366063. Count one, drove while sit. Count two, drive registered, unregistered, untitled vehicle. I thought I had some more tickets for her. You know, I'm seeing only these two tickets. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Ms. Wilson. Ms. Wilson, please state your name.
Jasmine Wilson.
She also has ticket number SP 103413331. That's one count of license improper. Ticket number SP 108109291. That's one count driver while license suspended. Ticket number SX 401777071. One count failure to stop or give identification to a police officer. Failure to give ID to police officer. And ticket SX 401777072. That's no operator's license on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Ms. Wilson, please state your name.
Jasmine Wilson.
All right, counsel, how you wish to proceed today?
Your Honor, at this time, I think I'm still in discussion with Madam Prosecutor. I think there's a different resolution. If the court will allow us maybe 3 or 4 minutes, it would be appreciated.
Okay, I will. You ain't know about that. It's ticket number SX 401777071, but that's a state ticket, just so you know.
Okay. But I will let the court know on Mr. Nguyen, if that case gets called while I'm trying to talk to Ms. Schneider, it was a no officer.
Okay, I'll call her right now.
Thank you.
No problem. He's having connection issues, so I'm trying to get him in. We're trying to work it out, Miss Wilson. Give us a moment.
Okay.
All I see is you peeking around the corner. Look at my Mr. Nguyen, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay, I know
Thank
you've
you.
been waiting so patient, okay? I know you have, Mr. Nguyen. Don't worry. There's
Hey,
a
I'm
reward
not
for
even
your
mad.
patience
I'm not,
today.
long as I can hear you and you can hear me, I'm not even mad. Whatever you do, I ain't even mad.
All right, let me call your
Long as
matter, okay?
Right. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
Okay.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Curtis Nguyen. This is ticket number SP 1406727. Count one, driver's license never acquired. Count two, drive unregistered, untitled vehicle. Count three, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number SP 140674341. This is one count of improper plate. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Nguyen. Mr. Nguyen, please state your name.
Curtis Walter Wynn Jr.
Your Honor, today is the date and time set for trial. Complaining witness has failed to appear. We move for dismissal.
All right, the time is now 11:50 a.m. No officers having appeared in these matters. The court's going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. All right, Mr.
Thank you,
Nguyen.
Your Honor. Thank you.
You, okay?
All right. Have a blessed day.
You too, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
All right.
All right. All right.
We can go in room one.
Right, we got,
We can put it on the record.
we're live, so you want me to, I'll make you a co-host, y'all can go into some room and talk real quick about Miss Wilson. If you need any additional information, let me know. I can try and give you as much as I can.
It is a total of how many tickets? I think that helps us.
You know, okay. Looks like what I can see. Sorry. So we have 2 on the docket, right? And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 total. So 2 on the docket, 4 in warrant status. And then she has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tickets in disposition. Most of the tickets, with the exception of 1, 2, all are in conjunction, it looks like, with tickets that were like issued from the court. She has some old ones from 10, which would be 19, I think it is. The 10 cases are 2019, I think, because the 13 cases are 2022 and the 14 are 2023. Am I right? I think that's how it is. Thank you.
Whatever you say works for us.
I have no.
Okay. Whatever you tell me to do, Ms. Schneider, is what we'll do.
Let's go to room 10 real quick.
Okay.
Attorney Barry, you said that Mr. World was gonna be requesting a bench trial, is that correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
I'm gonna call this real quick, Attorney Dixon, Mr. Dixon, I'm sorry.
Judge Taylor,
Yes,
could we have you join us in the breakout room, please?
okay. Give me 2 seconds. Give me 2 seconds. I'm coming. Tell her I'm coming. Just give me 2 seconds. I'm gonna put something on the record real quick and then I'm coming. Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Leonard World. This is ticket number. I'm just gonna read the ticket numbers. SP 1206320, SP 1094259, SP 1101548, SP 1119652, count 1, and count 2. Ticket number SP 1123071, count 1. Ticket number SP 1179106. Ticket number SP 1094230. Ticket number SP 1206320, count 1, 2, and 3. Ticket number SP 978981, and ticket number SP 980789. These are all of his tickets that he has currently in misdemeanor status on my docket. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. World. Yeah, and Mr. World apparently got cut off, but his desire was set these for a bench trial.
All right, and you spoke with him about his rights and his cases for today?
That is correct, Your Honor.
All right, I'm hoping that he would log back on. He has not logged back on yet, but I will set these matters for a bench trial on the date of September the 5th. The court will send out notification of that date and time. I do think he is making efforts to try and resolve these matters. If he has paid any bond money, I will keep the bond money in place. All those tickets that do not have bonds on them, I will make $0. Thank you, Attorney Barry. That concludes this matter.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, you can hold tight for a minute, Attorney Barry, if you would like,
Yes.
while I go in. Okay. All right. All right, Miss Jasmine Wilson, we're ready for you. All right. Hi, welcome to court. Welcome to court.
Say hey.
Hello. Hi. Okay, I'll make this real quick. I know you've been waiting so patiently. Now calling the matters of the people versus Jasmine Wilson. This is ticket number, these matters have been called in all. At this point in time, we just had a breakout discussion to try and figure out what we were gonna do. Can I have your appearance once again for the record, Attorney Harris?
And company, please state your name.
We didn't hear the first part. Try again, Attorney Harris. Sorry, Ms. Wilson.
Cherika Harris, on behalf of Ms. Wilson, and your little friend, please state your name for the record.
Jasmine Wilson, Nola Wilson.
All right. It's the date and time set for, I believe a warrant on some of the tickets, as well as the pending matter she has before this court today. The court's gonna set aside any warrants that may be out there, enter pleas of not guilty, and on their pending cases, I believe there has been a resolution met. Is that correct, Attorney Harris? It's not coming through it, because first of it, I don't know why. We silence you, Ms. Wilson, so we can make sure Attorney Harris comes through. Okay. All right, go ahead.
The misdemeanor matters are going to be dismissed pursuant to recommendation. We would ask the court to adopt that recommendation. We are respectfully requesting that any late fees or penalties on any of the remaining civil infractions would be waived. Ms. Wilson would then be responsible for paying those civil infractions. Ms. Wilson, please understand that means you may have points.
Okay. All right, she understands that. She got affirmative head nod. At this time, the court is going to dismiss the misdemeanor tickets that are before this court. In exchange, she's going to take care of her tickets that are already in default. Ma'am, I am going to ask that the late fees be waived at this point in time, and request that my clerk do that on your behalf to bring down the cost just a little bit. Okay, so we'll dismiss all the tickets for today. And then we'll bring down that cost a little bit, because you owe quite a bit of money, but we're trying to get you back on track. Okay, Ms. Wilson? All right, she put thumbs up, I know. All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set. Thank you for your patience today, and good luck with you and your adorable son. He really is adorable. Uh-oh, I put you on mute. You can unmute yourself. We're off the record.
Thank you so much. Is she a girl?
Oh, see, I'm sorry. I thought you said Nova or Noah.
Nola, like Nola.
I'm sorry, I thought you said Noah. So I'm all like, sorry.
Okay. Thank you so much.
You are very welcome. Okay. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
All right.